What's up, y'all? Hey, my dolls. So welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, I go back to Fashion Doll, y'all. What's up? So what's going on, y'all? How y'all been? Happy New Year. It's a new year. We made it to 2024. That's what's up. I hope everyone had a great holiday. So y'all, we're just gonna start this vlog off. I'm dressed and I thought I'll bring you guys along on a date, you know. I was like, let me do this little dating series thing and see how this goes. So tonight I'm going out to Dave & Buster's to play some games, you know, get some food, give me something to drink, and, you know, vibe out, have a good time. So I just it's like, yeah, let me bring the vlog along. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and let's just get straight into it, y'all.
Yeah. 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 Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least it's what my mom says, proof is in the progress. Money's not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get. Living falling off, yeah. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Might trust my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, or Linda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even know her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 niggas.
Got a watermelon margarita, watermelon strawberry margarita. What's up, y'all? I'm back home. I just got done doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Y'all can check out that video. I will post it below. It probably will be out before this vlog, so if you didn't watch it, check it out. But yeah, I was just doing like my little birthday unboxing video. But yeah, so y'all, I had so much freaking fun. I'm about to shower and go to sleep. I'm tired. And then plus I'm still oh, excuse me, I'm still under the weather, so I need to take me some medicine and get myself together. So excuse me. Yeah, we had went to Dave & Buster's. I think I told y'all that. I whooped his ass in some basketball. Okay. We did a little air hockey or whatever. Yeah, we just vibed out and had fun. I had me a couple of drinks and some food. You know, but like I said, I'm gonna chat with y'all soon because it's time to go to bed. Peace out. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. I just wanted to come on here and chat with y'all for a second. Looking crazy, but I'm in bed at home relaxing, y'all. So I'm watching Ready to Love Make a Move. It's a show on the OWN channel. It's like a dating show. 4 young ladies are looking for love or whatever, and it's juicy, y'all. It's really good. I'm so shocked at one of the girls' decisions, but yeah, I'm watching. But anyway, I'm excited, y'all, about the new year coming. I want to show y'all my new planner. It says 2024, little denim cover. I found this at Marshall's, and I love writing down like my content ideas. I like writing, you know, my goals, keeping up with my appointments in this book. So I always get a planner, and then it comes with these little stickers. Really cute. So yeah, I'm just excited to jot down some new content that I have planned for the new year. It is December the 29th, by the way, so we are a couple of days into the new year. I just want to grow my channel, y'all. I love what I do. I love just meeting new people, engaging with you know, people. It's just a beautiful thing, especially when people are positive. Like, I love positive people that give off positive vibes, because that's just the energy I give off, and I love when I get it back in return. So, sorry y'all, I'm still trying to get over this cold. But, oh, yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to. So, I'm really hoping next year my channel grow. Yeah, I'm gonna just chat with y'all soon, and y'all have a good night because I'm about to go to sleep, y'all. I'm tired. I'm at Target. They have some cute little Valentine's Day decor, like this little dice heart pillow. They got this little lit one. These are $5. Disco ball, $5. And then they got these spring sandals out already. These are like Christian Dior dupes. These. Then they got them in some black. And then they got these. These are really cute. So yeah. And then they got some wicked sandals that's similar to these. Let me show y'all. This. I don't really like these. And then the brown ones. But I think I'm about to get these. I need these. My favorite color. And I hope this matches this bag that I just bought. Oh, and they got them in cream and black. I bought this the other day, but in white. Hey y'all, I wanted to do a quick little Target haul before I end the vlog. So, y'all seen that I was at Target. I ended up picking up these cute pink Valentine's Day bows. You get 4 for $5. So I thought this was cute. And this is in the Target dollar section. Then I got this cute little heart board. You can put your little Valentine decorations on top of this, like in your kitchen maybe. You can use it as a little cutting board or charcuterie board. I think this is really cute. I believe I paid $5. This is from the brand Threshold. So I grabbed this. And then I got this little love potion bottle. It says love. I thought this would be cute to sit on top of my bar cart and maybe fill it up with some alcohol maybe. I thought that would be cute. And then I also got it in a light pink color. This one says self-love elixir. And what else? I put a spell on you. Yeah, cute little bottles. And then I told y'all they had their spring sandals out. So y'all, I'm already thinking like vacation. These will be really cute on vacation. So I grabbed a pair of these. So cute. Bling bling. Silver. I grabbed those. And then I also grabbed this little neutral tone, the little Christian Dior dupes, because I love, you know, simple colors. So I had to get this. And these retail for, hold on, let me show y'all. This one is $24.99. Y'all, I'm waiting on these to go to, I'm waiting for these to go on sale, y'all, so I can get the difference back. And then these were, I think, $20. Let me see. 25. Okay, yeah. This one was $25. So when these go on sale, I'm definitely going to get the difference back. But this is what I picked up from Target. You guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.